Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Extensible. In this video, I'm showing you how to bring in your PowerPoint into vMix, how to bring your PowerPoint display, the PowerPoint slide into vMix. Stay tuned, don't forget my name, Joseph Elasukomi. This is Extensible. Alright, so this is my vMix over here. It's actually launching right now, so let me launch. Okay, so it's launched. Then I just open my PowerPoint, because this is PowerPoint over here, and then let my PowerPoint also open. I have my PowerPoint over here. So let me say I don't actually have a presentation right now, but any presentation like this, welcome to PowerPoint now, and you open it up. Welcome to PowerPoint slide here. Okay, I think I have a PowerPoint here, which I did last time, which is just one of the default PowerPoints in vMix. So that comes with PowerPoint actually. So this is my PowerPoint here. This is the slides I'm going to be displaying. So how do I actually bring this in vMix? We have to just go straight to slideshows over here. Go to slideshows and go to setup slideshow. So I want to make sure this is embraced by individual window. This over here, embraced by individual window, and I click on OK. Once click on OK, this is your PowerPoint over here. Then in your vMix, go to add input. It's naturally top, honestly, to be honest. Go to add input, go to NDI, and you see your local desktop tab capture. This is a PowerPoint over here. Bring your PowerPoint, and then voila. But then it's full screen, right? It's also showing your cursor. How do you make it not show your cursor and actually not in full screen? I'm gonna just have to do this, make it small in a way. Yes, we're gonna make it small over here, and then we're gonna turn on full screen here. This is over here. If we turn on this full screen, we can see our PowerPoint here. We can also make it full screen, and then we'll know that we'll just be using the Alt tab to move. Just like how we're doing Zoom, when you add a full screen of Zoom, use the Alt and tab to move. Use Edison as Zoom and my screen. Alt tab and move it to vMix, and then in my vMix I can just go to right click on it and remove show cursor. So don't want to show cursor anymore. That is for that. And then go to your settings. You have to trim it so it won't be showing the bars at the top and at the bottom. So go to position, and then we're going to zoom it in. That's like this. Perfect. This is just it. This is it. So as we're moving to the next slide, it's moving here into the next slide. I'm just using my arrow key. It's moving over here. Is like that. But then I won't really prescribe this for you. I won't really advise to you to do this, to be honest. This is just the the popular way to do it. And then there's another way to do it, which if you have your PowerPoint saved, let me just move this from full screen. If you have your PowerPoint saved, you can just go and save your PowerPoint, save as, and save it in your documents, which is in your desktop, and save it as anything you want. I have my PowerPoint in the presentation. And then once you see the PowerPoint, you can in vMix can actually bring your PowerPoint directly. Go to your add input, and then let me close this, so the one's going to take it with the other one. Go to your add input, go to PowerPoint. This is over. You can actually bring your PowerPoint presentation directly. Go to browse, and then where you saved it in, this is over here, and you click on OK. Then your PowerPoint, this is over here, loading your PowerPoints. Right, this is a PowerPoint over here. Then you can just play it, so it actually plays from one to the other The only time I advise is if you want to use the PowerPoint itself, is if you have your remote control and you want to just moving directly from one to the other, But then this will actually bring it to vMix, actually make you have control over it. You can set your slides to setting. Okay, after 2 seconds it transition, after 5 seconds it transitions automatically. And then the effect is a fading fade for, I prefer using fade for 1000 milliseconds, so it fades like use slow. And then transitions after every 5 seconds, yes. And once you do that, that is done. Click on cancel, and then once you play it, after 5 seconds it changes. What I'm talking about. So this is actually good. I actually advise this to you instead of doing that other way where you go to PowerPoint, setup, slideshow, and make sure it's in Windows browse. But that way it has to be after the sliding, going back and forth, going to PowerPoint, then going to vMix and the rest like that. This is actually pretty good. There are times when some people have messaged me that the PowerPoint is actually coming on vMix. How do you do that? How do you solve that error? Your PowerPoint is not in vMix. You have to go to PowerPoint. Sometimes about vMix PowerPoint is that your PowerPoint has to be in PowerPoint file like ppxtp. That is this PPTX rather, or some other PowerPoints. It doesn't really support all PowerPoint, like it doesn't support PDF. But then if you want to do that, you can actually just go to some custom site and click on PDF to PowerPoint, or your format to PowerPoint, and then it converts it and then you bring it to PowerPoint presentation over here. And so you can actually search for PDF to PowerPoint over here. Just search for PDF to PPTX, PowerPoint converter. You can see other free PowerPoint converters. Bring in your PDF file, then it's just browse it wherever it is on your system. I don't have a PDF right now, and then that actually converts to PowerPoint. There's some that are paid, there's some that are free, of course, but then I think there are lots that are actually free online. So you can use that, bring it to here, and then your PowerPoint is good to go. You can have your picture talking, you can have the picture in picture talking. You don't have to be going to PowerPoint, comment to vMix, can add everything over here. You can actually pause it, you controlling it when you want. Restart from the beginning, different thing. And that is how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please like, please subscribe, please share it to your family, to your loved ones, to your friends. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. I have to post new videos concerning church streaming, concerning game streaming, concerning anything media, related to streaming. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Joseph Olasukon. See you in my next video.